we're getting ready to work with 2 more drawings. Our next drawings, we're going to move on from number 6, and we're moving on to drawing number 7 and number 8. In number 7 and 8, we're going to take a look at doing objects that have more form. We're going to give our objects form with our contour drawings. With these objects, we're going to start very simple. Our first one, we're going to start with doing straight lines and then have our form be a form that goes into curved lines. So straight lines on the outside, curved lines on the inside. Here's another example. That was a circle. You can do a circle. You can do a teardrop. This one's not done yet. Here's another example of a circle. It's in combination with other things, but this is an example of a curved one. This is going to be our number 8 drawing, where we go from curved to curved. But number 7, the one we're doing now, goes from straight to curved to give our object form. Here's another one that goes from straight, it's kind of hard to see, from straight to curved. Straight on the outside, curved on the inside. Okay, we're going to get going. The first thing that we're going to do is use our ruler and do that 1/2 inch border. You guys already know how to do this. I'm not going to go through and explain it in too much detail, but just a real quick 1/2 inch border. Don't spend a whole lot of time on this because this is more of a practice drawing. Just kind of gets us going. Okay, so I would like for you guys on this drawing to start with doing 2 objects. What those objects are up to you. I want at least one of your objects to be a circle. If you struggle with making a circle, think about making long lines. And it's okay if it's not perfect. You can go back and erase what you don't want. And then make one other object. On this one, maybe I showed you earlier the teardrop. You could do a teardrop. You know, maybe on this one you do, just some abstract form. Okay? Then after you have those objects drawn in pencil, we're going to move on to our black felt tip pens. So, best thing to do to start with is and you know what? I'm drawing this line without a ruler, so it's not going to be completely perfect. I'm drawing with my arm and not my fingers. It's a lot harder to draw a perfect line if you're going like this. You want to use your whole arm. Okay. I struggle with doing lines across, so I'll typically move my paper around. Okay, other side. It's okay if it's not perfect. You could even make it a little more artistic and kind of do your edges, go over an edge, give it that little extra bit of, hey, this is a sketchbook drawing look to it. We'll erase our outside edges. You could even go in and erase your extra pencil lines on here. Over here on the edge. Okay, so this is drawing number 7. 6. If your pages start to rip like that, just treat them real carefully and we can put a little tape on there. This is number 7. Okay, so on this one, the important thing is to start off straight. We're not using a ruler, and then you change the direction and then come back out. Okay, so you can make your lines pretty consistent and close together this time. Change direction, bring it down, come back out. So just keep going. All done.